Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Alfredo sauce without heavy cream step by step. Start by melting 2 tablespoons butter and gently sauté 2 minced garlic cloves until fragrant. Whisk 1 cup 2% milk with 1 tablespoon cornstarch until smooth, then add to the pan and simmer to thicken. Stir in 1 cup grated Parmesan, season with salt and pepper, and toss with hot pasta until glossy and combined. Gather your ingredients and tools so the process feels easy and calm. Measure 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons butter, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 cup grated Parmesan before you start. Warm the milk slightly to avoid lumps when mixing with cornstarch. Have a whisk, skillet, and pasta tongs ready, plus a ladle of reserved pasta water to thin the sauce if desired during final toss. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful recipes for you. On another note, quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen so easy and spill-resistant, perfect for multitasking while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy that tip, it really helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a skillet over medium-low heat and melt 2 tablespoons butter. Then add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook until fragrant but not browned. Whisk 1 cup warmed milk and 1 tablespoon cornstarch together, then gradually stir into the butter and garlic, simmering until the mixture coats the back of a spoon. Remove from heat, stir in 1 cup finely grated Parmesan until silky, and season with salt and freshly ground black pepper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.